Put the egg in your basket.
Find some eggs, Johnny.
Yeah, put it in your basket.
Good job, Mason.
All right, buddy. Let's find another one. Mason, come this.
Put it in your basket.
There are more.
Go find more
The other
eggs.
time he wants to stand.
There are more.
Go find another egg.
Where's Leighton? I'll go see how Leighton's doing. Oh, she's finding them.
Whoa, I think you guys did a good job hiding the ones for the big kids. I see.
Put it in your basket.
Wow, 2 at a time. All right. Yay, Mason. Yay.
Find some more.
Oh, 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 throwing. Mason, keep them in your basket. Keep them in your
Oh,
basket.
no. Don't throw them. Put them in your basket. Let's put them in your basket. Let's not throw them.